in a continual process of crew training. And what we did today was kind of break up into our watches. And the purpose for that was to familiarize ourselves, build that cohesiveness.
To know how to tie these, so we tie them all the same way. And come up here, lock them off on caboose once they're locked off, and then go.
Led by their watch captains, each group went over the protocol and desires laid out by pole navigator Bruce Blankenfeld, who will captain Hikianalia on her voyage to Tahiti.
He okoa ke la me ke ia ka pena, o ia ke holomako me anakala Bruce, o maki o ia ke kahi ano e hanai, o ia ke kahi mea e ho'oponopono ho'oma'ama'ai.
There's definitely a chain of command on board. Ultimately, you have the captain as the fo'o, he's the luna to whatever happens on board. Then you have your watch captains who are like the in-between guys, and they manage a group of people. And so for myself, I'm a watch captain. We've got Ha'oli Smith and then Kaleo Wong as watch captains. It's our job to relieve some of the kuleana from the captain and distribute the work amongst our individual crew members.
There's one more thing we got to look at that we should all know too, is which reefing line is for what reef. E no kako ke hui nei, kama ilio no ka mea nui, ka mea iki, no ke kaula like ole o ka wa'a, no ka holo ana ma ka moana nui a kea.
But now is the time to get comfortable with the lines, yeah? We covered docking lines and actually heaving lines, properly doing that, looking at our dock lines, looking at safety gear and how to deploy things. You know, we got to get these lines to the dock, we got to tie up this canoe, and we're probably going to get one shot. So we're just kind of rotating at different areas, and then just really familiarizing ourselves to get more comfortable, more ma'a on board, so that when we do sail, everybody can be kind of like on the same level. So maybe even Linda, not too big a loop.
Kealoha was showing us how to throw the tow line, and he was saying that we have two different places that we hold, yeah. So the first coil that you might have seen, like that's what we're trying to aim right to the side of the person so they can grab it. And then the other coil that we're holding, that's supposed to pay out. Yeah, so for accuracy and then just to let it go. And then afterwards, Kealoha was showing us how to standardize things so that every time we get on watch or we leave our watch, the next crew or the crew before, like, there's unity.
It's managed chaos. I mean, it's just the nature of it. And so everybody's got to be accountable, not only for themselves, but for the safety of the rest of the crew members.
This is Ku'ule Bizilla with OEB TV for the Worldwide Voyage. To stay connected, visit hokulea.org. Aloha!